Well, Friday after I was done grocery shopping, I came through the garage here in my studio and I noticed that the head was leaning down, like way down, like his chin was almost to his chest, which was a good indication that his head was about to fall off. So I took it off just to make sure that that didn't happen. I didn't want my face flattened. All right, I'm gonna work on the legging first before I do anything on the upper part. And I've got to have the leggings done before I can do anything going upwards. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. You're going to let you know what's going to happen tomorrow. I've got to do some things in the morning, and I don't know if I'll be done before I normally come down here in the afternoon. It might cut in my time tomorrow, but I will try to be here in my studio tomorrow. But I've got these chores I've got to get done, and tomorrow morning's the only time I can do it. So I'll try to get here tomorrow. Can't guarantee it though. I like the way this is turning out already. All right, now this part is extremely dangerous, and I would never recommend it to anybody. I'm putting cloth into melted clay. Let me tell you something. This melted clay is extremely hot. I mean, I just barely touched some of this wet clay, some of this melted clay, and the pain is just beyond words. So I would never recommend doing this to anybody younger than 50. Of course, it's a hard thing to handle, first off, and the only reason I'm doing this is because it's easier than trying to do it with flat pieces of clay. All right, there we go. And I'm using a fondue stick to anchor it, and some clamps to fly tying clamps to hold on to the edge. I'm not kidding you though when I tell you this stuff is extremely dangerous, and I don't recommend it without supervision if you're a real young kid. I would never even recommend you doing it at all. Okay, I like the feel of that. Using the cloth just saves a lot of time. And it's a good solid armature. That looks pretty darn good, I think. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes. My little finger just barely touched the hot clay, and I'm telling you, it hurts all the way up and down my finger, and only touched right there. So, like I said, this is dangerous stuff to work with. All right. Now, as far as the upper part, I can tie that all into his belt. The cloth that I'm going to dip for the back part, I'm going to wait for a while on, because I've got to do a lot of things back there first before I can put that on there. Now I'm creating the loose piece of leather that's going to be hanging down from where the legging ties onto his leg or onto his body. Okay, and this will be the fringe on the bottom. Now his belt will be up here. He'll have a knife on it, and but I'm going to plan out the belt now. There we go. That all works out really nice. Like I said last week, this is an old style legging. They were been about the 1840s, 1800 to 1845 style. All right, I'm going to put a lump of clay underneath his chin to keep his head from falling over. I can pull that out tomorrow. I'm going to turn that fan up a little bit and make sure that I just check to see if I got a breeze going across there, and I do. I think that's going to be fine. So it's 93 degrees right now outside, and pretty toasty. I don't know what the temperature is in here. It's got to be in the 80s. But the fan, I can feel the clay, and it's cool because of the fan. So I'll just leave that going and hope that works out. My camera ran out of battery power and just shut right down. It also shut down because the camera was extremely hot. So anyway, I'm gonna call it quits for tonight, and I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. If I don't see you tomorrow, I'll certainly see you Wednesday. Wait a minute, tomorrow's Tuesday. I'll see you Wednesday for sure, but I'm not sure about tomorrow. All right, good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.